Okay, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use the savings calculator. First thing you'll notice is that in order to use it, you'll need to make a copy for yourself. So the way to do that is just come up here, click File, and click Make a Copy. You can name this whatever you want to name it. And then it's going to reopen up this sheet in a format that you can actually come in here and make edits. Of course, as you'll see here, the only thing to edit for this to work properly is the yellow highlighted cells. Most everything else in here is populated by formulas, so if you mess with any of the formulas, the calculator will break and won't work properly. So the way this is set up is the amps are what we have found to be a pretty standard whenever we've done our testing here. So, and you'll see that others will come up with similar numbers as well. So, for example, for a traditional motor gearbox, it's roughly going to be about 1.5 amps. For most direct drive drum motors on the market, most of the popular brands, you're going to be looking at 1.2 amps, and then from the installs that we've done, we found that ours are running at about 0.68 amps. The voltage, we're using everything at the same standard voltage. That way the savings is accurate, because we want this to reflect if you were to replace one motion products with an existing motor, is really what this calculator is here to represent. So if you were to come in here and play around with this, you could see hours ran per day. Let's just pretend like we're doing a 12-hour day, and you wanted to replace 5 motors. Then what you can see is that all of these costs are being updated accordingly. And if you were to use a traditional drum motor, you can see that you're going to be saving 20% over a standard conventional setup with a motor and a gearbox with one motion. You're going to be saving 55%. Your annual cost to run those 5 motors with a conventional setup is almost $2,000 for those 5 motors, but they direct drive, one of the more commercially available drum motors, you're about $1,500. With one motion, you can see that we're under $1,000 here, based off of these numbers that we've run. So you can look up here, and you can also see the final results up here as well, and you can see what the numbers are up here as well. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out and ask us, and we hope you find this helpful.